And welcome to the Figma Complete Guide. I'm Mohammed Iqbal, the CEO of Welldux, in which we provide well-designed user experiences. In this course, we are going to go through every single tool and feature in Figma one by one so that by the end you feel completely confident using Figma in any design project. Whether you have never opened Figma before or you have been using it for a while but never fully understood how everything's work, this course is for you. So in this course, we will cover what we have inside in the left funnel, how each and every tool is working, and most importantly what we have on the right side. So we will cover each and every functionality, whether it is auto layout, plugins, constraints, export, and most of the keyboard shortcut that will make you work significantly faster. This course is completely free, no excuses, no barrier, just open Figma and follow along. So this course is recorded both in English and we also have Urdu Hindi version as well. So you can learn in the language you are most comfortable with. Let us stop wasting your time and get straight into it. See you in the first section.